What is up? On today's adventure, cooking. Yeah. Breakfast casserole. Turkey sausage. Eggs. Grade A. Cheese. Got a little cheddar. A little pepper jack. Milk. Tater tots. Alright. So I've got a square bacon dish. I've greased it. Turkey sausage patties, real easy. It's just gonna throw them suckers in the bottom. Can't make it no easier than that. Actually, I've got 3. I think I should do 4. Why not, right? 4 turkey sausage patties, right in the bottom. All good and clean. 6 eggs. 1. 2. And 6. So I got my 6 eggs. I'm gonna rinse my hands. Alright, 6 eggs. A little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to salt these because we're going to get salt from the sausage and from the cheese and from the tater tots. So I don't add any extra salt. Going to throw a cup of milk in here. Now while I'm doing all this, my oven is preheating on 350. Grab my whisk. Beat up my eggs. Pour my milk in. Give that a good whisk. And dump that right on over in on top of the sausages, which are floating. That's okay. I can kind of push them back where they need to go. All goes in the sink. What's next? Tater tots. Can't forget the tots. I'll hand it any pocket knife out here, because that's how I roll. And we're going to do about half the bag. And I'm just going to kind of throw these around on top of the sausages. It's okay if they stick up when the egg cooks. The egg will rise and it will encase the hash browns. You can put the hash browns in first and then pour the eggs in. But when you do that, they all kind of spread out. So you end up kind of having to reorganize them anyway. So I've got a good spread there. Tater tots. Medium cheddar. I like sharp cheddar. My wife likes mild, so we compromise and get medium. If it were up to me, we'd just go straight sharp. But there's probably only about half a cup left in this bag, but that's okay. I'm going to put half a cup of cheese right on in here. See, she snuck a bag of mild in on me when I wasn't looking at the grocery store. Just a little bit more around the edges there. And I'm also going to grate a little bit of this homemade pepper jack here that we got from Wisconsin. Parents brought back to me from Wisconsin. Good cheese, good pepper jack. So I'm going to grate that and get it on there, and then we'll get it in the oven. Alright, so I've grated me some pepper jack there. Around on the top. Looks good. Now you can add anything you want to this. You can add jalapenos, you can add peppers, onions, mushrooms, anything you want. Anything that you would normally put in an omelet. Spinach, whatever you want you can throw in here too. You can do ham instead of the sausage. We've done ham, little cubed ham before. That's really good, especially when you've got good smoked ham. Makes a really awesome breakfast casserole. I'm going to pop this in the oven, 350 for, I don't remember, I got to look at my instructions. Bake for 40 minutes, so 40 minutes at 350. This takes a while. Depending on the depth of your pan, you may have to go a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. Make sure the eggs get done. I'm going to pop this in there for 40 minutes and it is going to be delicious. Alright, so I just pulled this out of the oven. It's been 40 minutes. And as you can see, still just a little bit runny there in the middle. This thicker pan, or deeper pan, shorter pan, but deeper. My eggs are thicker, so it's going to take a little longer for them to cook. If I'd have used a wider pan, and the eggs would have thinned out a little bit. So I'm going to pop this back in for about another 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll take another look. Alright, so I popped that in for about another 10 minutes, still on 350, and it come out looking great. Eggs, tater tots, cheese, and sausage. I like a little hot sauce and some ketchup on top of mine. Tastes great. Give it a try. You won't be sorry. It's great for breakfast, great for supper. It's great leftover. It's great anytime. It's awesome. Just give it a try.